Hi, I'm Ray, and this channel is all about growing your own fruit and vegetables, along with some DIY projects. And today I'm going to show you how to make some netted tunnels using this piping. So this piping in the UK is also known as Mdpe piping, and it's a polyethylene blue pipe PE80, and it's used for below ground for cold water services. It's rigid and yet bendable, which is perfect for frames and fleece tunnels over your garden and the allotment bed or the allotment veg patch. So this pipe is commonly used to replace worn pipes or to provide water supply to gardens or to remotely move a main supply of water. These can be purchased in DIY stores, and these can be bought in two different sizes. They have 25mm or 20mm, and around 25 meters cost around £20 in places like Toolstation, Schoolfix. You can also buy up to 50 meters, which is around £40 for the 20mm, and it's really easy to use, all we can use. So let me show you what we're going to do. So once we've measured our length, we can just use a saw, and it will just cut even the bluntest of saws. We'll cut nicely through the pipe. So once you have 3 or 4 cut the same length, you can either just push them into the soil, into your raised bed, in equal distances, and then cover with netting or with fleece. Or if you need a bit of a higher hoop, we can use a cane. Insert a piece of cane inside the hoop, and then insert the cane into the soil. And we get a higher hoop. Do the same on the other side. Insert the cane, and then we can cover with some fleece or some netting. Once we have our hoops in place, then we can just cover over with our netting. There we go. We've also done the same on the strawberry beds, and we've screwed the pipe directly into the wooden frame, and we've covered this with the scaffolding netting, and it's also a good barrier for the pests and the birds from the strawberries. So it also can be done on raised beds, and this is my neighbour's flower bed, and he's also screwed the hoops onto our bed and covered them with white netting. So here we've used 3 lots of hoops, and the netting's gone over the top, lifting it right above the crocs. So let me know in the comments, have you used this blue pipe, and what do you use for making nettings? Leave me a comment below, and that'd be most interesting. So if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more videos, and we look forward to growing these vegetables under the netting. Thank you very much. Cheers!